Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Motorola is set to launch a remarkable smartphone that not only rivals the iPhone in aesthetics, but also promises to deliver exceptional features at a competitive price point. The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra 5G showcases a magnificent 6.82-inch punch-hole display that promises to deliver an immersive viewing experience. 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming, impressive 1080 by 4820 pixel resolution for crystal-clear visuals, in-display fingerprint sensor for secure access, powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 8200 processor for superior performance. Massive 8200 mAh battery capacity, setting a new standard in the industry. 120-watt fast charging support, quick charging capability 0 to 100% in approximately 90 minutes, all-day battery life under intensive usage. Primary sensor, groundbreaking 700MP main camera, 80MP ultra-wide lens for expansive landscape shots, 32MP telephoto lens for detailed zoom photography, advanced features including 20x zoom capability, HD video recording support, impressive 80MP front-facing camera for exceptional self-portraits and video calls. 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage, 12GB RAM with 512GB internal storage, 16GB RAM with 512GB internal storage. These configurations ensure smooth multitasking and ample storage for all user needs, from casual users to power users. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.